I'm going to piss some people off, but being busy doesn't mean you're building a business. If you're still doing everything yourself, posting on Instagram, answering every DM, reminding clients to rebook, you don't own a business, you own a job that's running you into the ground. Before we get into this, hit like, subscribe, and download the free automation guide in the description so AI can take care of your messages, follow-ups, and marketing while you focus on making money and serving your clients. Let me ask you something. How many nights have you gone to bed exhausted, knowing you still have to post tomorrow, check your DMs, follow up with people who ghosted, and maybe still design that flyer you've been putting off? You tell yourself you'll catch up on marketing next week, but next week never comes. Meanwhile, other beauty pros are fully booked, posting consistently, and somehow always have time off. Why? Because they're not doing everything themselves. I'm going to share 3 ways to automate or outsource your marketing so you can finally focus on what actually makes you money, your clients. But there's one system I'll show you at the end that completely changed how I run my business. It's how I went from burnout to booked without touching my phone all day. The first thing you need to automate is your client communication. Most beauty pros lose money because they forget the follow-up. That reminder message you plan to send? It never goes out. Automate it. Use tools that send booking confirmations, reminders, and thank you messages automatically. Set up an email or text flow that sends rebooking nudges 3 days after every appointment. You don't need to write each message manually. Use templates that sound personal but run on their own. This alone can bring back 30% more clients without any extra effort. The second step is to automate content marketing. You don't have to post every day in real time. Batch your content once a week, schedule it, and let AI handle the captions, hashtags, and timing. You can even train AI to write in your voice. If you post on Instagram, Threads, or TikTok, use a scheduler like Later or Buffer. Record 3 videos in one day and drip them out across the week. This way your business still looks active while you're busy working with clients. Remember, the algorithm rewards consistency, not exhaustion. Now let's talk about outsourcing. The moment you can afford it, hire a virtual assistant or part-time content manager. Even 5 hours a week can change everything. They can schedule posts, reply to DMs, and handle customer inquiries, while you focus on delivering results and creating experiences your clients rave about. Think of outsourcing as buying back your time, because when you're doing $15 tasks all day, you're blocking yourself from $500 opportunities. By the way, if you're wondering how to train someone to sound like you, that's part of what's inside the free automation guide below. It walks you through setting up systems, AI prompts, and automation tools that handle marketing, follow-ups, and even client retention. Like this video, subscribe, and grab that guide while you watch. Now here's where most beauty business owners mess up. They try to automate chaos. They throw tools at problems without fixing the workflow first. Automation only works when your business has structure. That means having clear offers, defined services, and a consistent client journey. Once you've nailed that, automation becomes your best employee. Imagine this. You wake up, and your messages are already answered. Your Instagram posts are live. Your appointment reminders are sent. Your clients are booking while you're still drinking your morning coffee. That's the power of an automated beauty business. You're not just working in it, you're scaling it. The system that changed my business was building what I call an AI assistant stack. It's a combination of tools that manage content, client communication, and sales automatically. Think of it as your digital team. AI writes your posts, schedules your emails, replies to messages, tracks rebookings, and even tags leads who haven't booked yet. Once it's set up, all you do is show up for clients and collect the profits. You can keep grinding every day or start letting systems work for you. Every successful beauty entrepreneur I know has automated at least 70% of their marketing. That's why they can travel, expand, or open new locations without losing their sanity. If you want to learn how to set up these automations step by step, download the free guide linked below. It shows you exactly how to use AI to manage marketing, follow-ups, and bookings so you can focus on clients, freedom, and growth. Like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.